There's something fishy going on here, and I think it's this drawing. So if you want to draw it, get yourself some plain white paper. You'll need a pencil, an eraser, and a black pen. So let's get started. We're going to start off our catfish with an oval shape towards the centre of the page. Now just do this lightly in pencil. Just pressing a little bit heavier than you need to, just so you can see it on camera. So just a rough oval shape like that. We're now going to add the mouth, which is another oval shape. That's going to be here. It's going to be touching the sides. So just a shape like this. It's got its mouth wide open. Now for the two eyes, one eye goes here and the other eye is kind of bulging out here. Now we're going to add a bit more of the body. We're then going to draw a line from here going upwards. It's then going to curve round and then follow the shape of the head. So coming all the way down here to about there and then coming back around. Now we're going to be drawing the fins. So one fin just starts here, just draw a little dot. Then it's going to go up at a diagonal to about there. We're then going to draw the other part, comes round and joins up there. Now for the one on the top. So that goes straight up and then it comes round, curving like a sail. Just like that. We then have another one just below the mouth. We're going to go to the left. Remember, if I go too quickly, just hit pause and rewind. We're then going to come back in. Now for the tail. So starting just here, I'm going to draw a curved shape like that. Now for the rest of the tail. So we're going to go downwards, stop here, then we're going to go upwards, stop just underneath that fin, back up, and then back round. So I'm going to do the next bit in pen, but please carry on in pencil. This is just so that you can see it easier. We're going to start off with the incredible barbels, which are these long things on either side of the mouth. So starting here on the mouth, we're just going to follow this line that we did before, but we're going to carry on the line like a huge long moustache, like that. Going to do the same on the other side. This is why they're called catfish, because they look like they've got cat's whiskers. I'm then going to draw the other side and then join it up. So, following the line we did before, and then join it up, draw a little line here, and then another line on this one. We're then going to be drawing the eyeball, so a shape like that, then it comes back round, and then on this one, shape like that. This one we're going to add the eye. And that one too. There are two other barbels just here. So one coming up like that. These are the nasal ones. And then another one coming up like that. Starting to take shape. So now for the rest of the mouth. It's got its mouth open, so it comes round. And now we're going to do the inside of the mouth. It's got 4 more barbels underneath. So one here. One here. One here. And one here. These are for finding food. What we're going to do next is this fin. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line under the line that we did before, so it comes up from round. We're then going to go over that line that we did before, just like that. We're now going to do the rest of the fin. So just do some little indentations like this. And then some lines going upwards. We're then going to do this fin on the top. Similar way. Draw both sides. And then some indentations as we come down. Just like that. Now we're going to finish off the head area. So coming up from this fin, draw some lines coming round, and the same, a couple of lines here, and then we're going to finish off the head and the back. And then from this fin, we're going to come all the way down. Don't draw over this one. And then we're going to follow it round here. And stop just there. We're now going to concentrate on this fin here. So, just behind this barbel. Draw some lines like that. Now we have two other fins that we haven't added in yet. So, I'm going to add them in now. One starting here. That's just going to go downwards like this. You don't see much of it. Just like that. And then we can continue this line to that other fin. I'm going to do the same. There's another one here. So this one goes up. Goes up. Round, round, round. And then lines inwards. There's another one underneath. So this one we're going to be doing like this. Draw a line coming down, another one coming down, but this one carries on. And then we draw several little bumps. It goes behind that other fin. And this one we just draw lots of lines coming round. Now for the tail. So we're just going to go over the outline. So just follow what we did before. Just like that. And then now we're going to be drawing all the lines coming down. But these lines are going to stop. You know where we drew that little line before? They're going to stop when they hit there. So if you haven't gone over it in pen, go over it in pen now and then erase all the pencil lines. Okay, so now we're going to add the finishing touches. So for example, just inside the mouth, I'm going to colour it in black. Also going to do a little bit of shading just underneath the eye. And just underneath what I would call the chin. Don't think it actually has a chin. And for the body just down here. So I'm just drawing a black line. And then a little bit behind here. And then lastly, just under here. And then just underneath this fin here. And then if you want to make it look like there are bubbles, just draw some bubbles under the water. So there we have our finished catfish. If you've enjoyed this one, check out this playlist. You're going to absolutely love it.